guys, so for today's video, okay, it's been a long time since I've got to vlog as requested, so we'll do the unboxing of gifts. So since my phone is full storage for now, I'll use my laptop, so let's get started. I get this first gift. My ooh, sex. Cute. Thanks for this. I hope is this one from Chantal and Chloe. Wow. Wow. Wish list. Let's testing that taste. Ay, body spray pala. Eat. Wow. The most awaited. I love the smell. And shimmering. I don't know if it's clear. Wait, let's put the flashlight on. There. Ano ba yan? Okay. Another one is a cat. Adjustable siya, guys. Thank you for this. Let's give. Mag-unboxing naman, pero like, I'm so excited opening these gifts. It's a lip gloss, a blush, and a lip cream. Thank you. Super cute. Next gift is this one. Kanino to take? Wala naman kayong pangalan. Hindi na pa. Oh, digital mo ma-mention. Hello, ka cute! Ito pa na. Ano kayo tingin mo? Hello, ka cute. Wait, ito siya. Oh. It's a stuffed toy. Cutie. Thank you so much. Next is Chloe. Kita natin. Wallet na ito, ting. I'll get the message. Legend chat. Thank you so much. Oh, big wallet. Very essential one. Thank you, CZ. I miss Chloe. It's a pink. Color pink. So, thank you, Chloe. Next is this one from Ugly Sunny's. Okay. Sunny's wallet and some blush. Cute air blush. And wallet for coins. Cute. Thanks so much. Next is this one. Kanino to be? Wala namang pangalan. Hala, notebook. I need this for college. And a paper review. Yes. Read it. Huge. The nerd. Uy, what man ipangan? Uy, saan ni pag... Uy, pangan inyong gifts. How would I say thank you to that specific person? What's this one? From... Look! Oh, thank you, look. Makeup pouch. Uy, purple. Thank you so much po. Look. keep ang letter. Oh, inyo na lang paper bag. Next is from Kuya John and Ate Mabel. Let's open it. Oh, wow. Straightforward. Uy! Uy! Cute mo niya. Bag. Uy! The aesthetic bag. Super cute. Wala na matingog! Hello, so cute. It's from Straightforward, guys. Thank you. Okay. This bag. Okay. Thank you so much. Wala ka cute sa paper bag. Ano yung hipusun? Okay. Next is this one. It's from this. Read. Oh. From Tita Celine and Ate Marie. Cute. Here. Cute. The enemy. And a t-shirt. Long sleeved. Thank you. Excuse me. Okay. From Trish. Here. Feeling ako Lego ni. Let me guess. Ala, Lego dude. So cute. Okay. Wish granted. Uy. Here. Super cute. Ano yung assemble lang. Thank you, Trish. Verily. Next is this one. Kita mo eh. Ini pangalan. Ini naman butang ng pangalan. This gift. Okay. Hala, ka-cute. Abali. Ini pencil case. Pencil case talaga, ti. Hindi ko ito mga pencil case. Gawin ko ito stuffed toy. Next is a... Uy, kinsay ko ito pang... Legit. Electric. Paano dyan na-play? Diba? Sharo. Alarm. Nasa chill light. Uy, lalay siya suga, boy. Lalay siya suga. Asay mo day. There. Cool. Oh. Diba, manimba. Kita ni hoto ko ni table lamp and desk fan. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Pakakit naman ito. Ito natin. Sino na bigyan ito? Hindi kayo nagbuka ngayon ng letter niyo. Wait, baka may letters dito. What, Jude boy? Wala, Jude. Oh my gosh. And this one from Tita Mai and Tito Non. Thank you so much. Okay, first, likod. Anyway, from Ate Erich. So, in. Okay, her letter. I'll keep this. Hello, ang cute. Very aesthetic. Paano ba ito? Open. Ay, okay. For parties and all the... Thank you so much, Ate Erich. Super cute. Second bag. Okay, next. This one is from Denise. Thank you. It's crochet fan. What na mo kitin mo ba yun? Here. Super cute. Thank you. Perfume. Me. Smell. Smells so good. Smells so good talaga, guys. Wala na akong boses. Ano? Ang banguti. And this one, free. It's from Inspired Perfume. Okay, let's go. Wala na talaga akong boses. Wait. Bangot eh. Ang bango. Next is this one. Wait. Kita man yata niya. Legit bito ko kay Bao. I do not know na who gave this. Cosmopolitans. Because it. Oh, color pens. Oh, so cute. Super cute, guys. And I stand. Hello, my inner child is innering. So ganun. I have a color pens and a stamp. Thank you kung kinsa may dihatag ani because there's no name. So next, I don't have voice anymore. This one is from Janelle. Thank you so much, my pretty girl. Super cute. Thank you. And kinuha ko na yung bluebells. Ay, nako po. Thank you so much. Sa lahat na nabagay ng bluebells. And all. Wait. Hindi ba? Di na ko makuha. Ay, maguba ang card. Wait lang po. Oh my God po. Ito na lang po. Ito na lang. Mga ampaw. Okay. Next gift is from, oh my God, is it Shanice. Excuse me. Thank you for this gift. Wait, let me open. Oh, it's the frames. She said, ugly. Cute. I'll put the my 18 pictures there. So yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. Next. It's from Sky and Sunridge. Ooh. Oops. And lotion. Shimmer. I love it, right? And a vibrant retinol cream and this one, I don't know what's this. Serum. Here. Thank you so much. Next gift is from Monique. Naabli na. It's a ribbon. Cute. And a concealer. Yeah. Concealer and a eyebrow stone. Oo, katangayanan. Hindi ko kabog mo ibo. Pero, there's steps here, so I'll try and do our best. Next gift is from Ate Jay. Naablihan na ako. And I assembled it. It's a sun mist flask. What are we doing? Here, it has my name, Carly. Yeah, very useful for this college life. Gonna earn. So thank you for this packaging. Okay. Next is this one. This is from Christine. Yeah, it's from Christine. Her letter. Ano akong basa? Here's her gift. It's a customized tote bag. Yeah. Support her business, guys. I'll put it here. Her IG. Their IG. Super cute. Oh my gosh, so cute. Show me. Next is this one. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is from Happy Hope. Okay. Oh, cute. I like the floral one. Here. Okay. Ito may pagkuha, uy. mo ko. Okay. Is that a cup and a perfume? Oh no, my super humot talaga. And the letter. Okay, later na nabasa ko. Okay, next is this one. From Pia and Pally. Thank you so much for this wallet. Color pink talaga guys. Talaga guys. Forget naman nito. Next is this one. Saan niya ito ganun? Umaninihin guys. Ooh, cute. Uy, ka-cute na wallet. Super cute. Uy, diba? Diba? Thank you so much po. Uy, kinsa man nagabutang ani. Wala dyan pangan yun. Wala dyan pangan. Okay. Oh my gosh. So next is this one. This one. Ano niya ito naman? Bayit, di pa mo mamutagpangan sa inyong gift. It's a perfume, I guess. Yeah. Ano ba kasi ito? Haba naman ang nails ko. Okay. Color pink spray. Wow. Bumot na sa... Bumot na sa joke mo. Uy. Bumot siya. Tanan dyan bumot, boy. You know my smell. You know my perfume taste. Perfume taste. Okay. Next is this one. Pinapaki. From Adihana. Thank you po. Hi. Bisa ka na ko, bay. Wala, okay man. So, here. It's from Celine and Celine. It's from Adihana. My nose is nosing. Here. Cute bag. Bag lang siya wallet. Wallet. Diba, boring ito din. Wala ka cute wallet. Hindi ko lakaw ko lang gamit. Yeah. Like wipes, alcohol, ganun. Cute. Di na ako siya i-suit sa box. Pero magamit na akong box. Ayaw na sa limang ko. Mallet. Okay, next. Next is the shoes. I already opened it. Oh, basta ni. From Ate Trixie. Huwag na mag-arrange the shoes. Thanks so much. Sorry po, ma'am. Gusto ko kasi i-open yung gift E. Okay, next. Kuha siya. Lego. Flower Lego. Picture asa ko paki. Wow. Okay. Next, ayun ko check. Ooh, baha from baha. Uy, i-post mo na ko YouTube. Gaga! From Baha. Baha Cakes. Uy, bay, yun sa manini mo, bay? Giyasul-hasol na dyan ko ni mo.
Mahirap ba sa'yo?
No, wala good. Gisod niya ang...
Igawas! Anak ko na, no?
Ikaw natin. Siya na yung mag-open sa gift mo. Ito muna na lang. From Sam. Okay. Oh. So cute. Uy. Ano ko pang college? School supplies. School supplies. Okay. Thank you, Sam. Ako na i-keep. There. Ano pa di I-keep? Hala. James. Sam, I-keep naman ito. Thank you. Ano ba ito katin mo? Next is from Tita Joby. Tita Joby. Ang kanis ako na. Ako gamitan guys. Huy! Bog! Huy! Wow! Ala ka cute! Color pink. Thank you very much. Bahasi. Fashion and bags. Okay na.
Wow.
Wow!
Marami
Wow!
layers natin.
Di unsa, Diyos sulang kung di mo up.
Oh, ito na.
Ay, dili. Salay ka niya ni Abay. Oh my God. Ako na good. Paano na magubay mong paper bag? Wow. Doon tayo may balloon effect pa si Ante. Okay, okay. Okay, rin daw ba ha? Ay, special mention. Wait, ang dami ko naman guys. Napukit para, oh my klase. Bag na sad guys. Ay, sholo. Fuck, ganun. Ready. Thank you so much. Next is this one. From Tita Elsie. Ooh. Oh, diba? Ganda. Pili lang kung ano ako idang ani uma. Thank you so much.
Ito po. Kuya DJ.
Kuya DJ. Uy, gabi rin yung makatip, uy. Pero ay nalimta ko.
Biyahe pag-order na sila na.
Yeah, okay. It's okay. I understand. Hala. Straightforward na sud bayo. Katabi tong store nga ni anak ka nga. Ganang kang pali... Agay, nag-isi. Diyos.
Ha?
Store nga katong straightforward ba? Hard! Ooh, kandi ako gamit para mabay. Super cute. Wow! Another bag. Okay. God, cute. Paper, mahal ba itong mga bags nila sa mga 1K kapin. Hiya naman ako. Thanks so much. Okay. Fourth bag. Mana na makati J good. Kinsa niya tag ani. Uy pangan. Ka-cute sa plan. To-do list. Suwatan na na to bi. Ka-cute frame siya. Excuse me. Ni-burp. Cute. Ang ganda, te. Uy, mabuha ka siya. Nasa plastic siguro bro. Nani. So, yeah. Yun na rin. Kung sino ka man, thank you, kaayo. Cute kayong white pencil case. Ah, kanjana! Dara. Wala ko keep, wala ni sa wish list, but I hope na maganahan ka ni. No more to-do list in your notes. Oh! Ka-cute! Ako ako ni Kim. Tissue. Ballpen. Wow na akong gipalit nga ballpen bay. Gisod sa pencil case. Cute. So white. The worst, Jana. I like your gift so much. I like everyone's gift. There. First semester, second semester. Okay. Here. Gosh. Hello, the kids are up. Hulog. Uy, nice fit oh. Tapos yung orange. Yeah. Ay, ka-cute. Kinsa may nihatag ano yun? Wala gipungon. Uy. Wala na po'y pangan. Okay, last kakao. Oh. Cute. Here. I'm Cal Guapa. And that's all. Yeah. Kapoy na ko. Oh my god, is it on ba akin? It's a ano? Fuzzy Wars. Fuzzy Wars. Fuzzy Wars.